Welcome to the video. In this video, I show you step-by-step instructions on how to create a progress bar in Excel. Let's say I have 5 employees and I want to know the work progress of each person. The following are the steps to create progress bars for each employee. You create new conditional formatting for selected cells. You format the data as numbers. The minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 1, corresponding to 0% to 100%. Next, you format the colors for the cells. Here I choose green. And this is the result. If you change the value in each cell, the progress bar changes accordingly, which looks quite nice. If your maximum value is greater than 100%, customize the format as above. In addition, Excel provides you with a way to automatically create progress bars as follows. Here's a quick and simple way to create a progress bar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.